Hey pals, welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to check your saved passwords on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First, what you need to do is head over to your Google Chrome, go to the top right corner of the screen, click on these three dots over here, and then head over to Google Password Manager over here, click on it, and it will send you to this new tab. And then when you click on one of the passwords here that's saved for you, you are now required to put in your computer's password. And now I'm gonna put in my computer's password. And as you can see, after you finish putting in your computer's password, when you click on the passwords now, you're gonna be shown the saved passwords on your Google Chrome. It's currently hidden so that no one can see. Now you guys can see what my passwords are, but you can see if you click on the I button over there, or just copy the password if you want. But that is how you can check for your saved passwords in Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. See you in the next video. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye and see you in the next tutorial.